It is a gorgeous, stunningly beautiful day today. We're going to get up to 18 degrees. It's t-shirt weather. I'm going to start off today by taking you back down memory lane for just a minute or two. You might recall, right around last November, we had a spruce or a cedar that got hit by lightning, fell across the driveway and got hung up in an old rotted out poplar. It was a lot of fun. You'll remember a guy came out with Kubota, we threw some chains on it, and we dragged that thing out butt end first down the driveway and pushed it off into the bush. Mission accomplished. But several of you at the time had told me, GP, that poplar looks like it's about to come down on its own. A couple of dead widowmakers hanging up high. You might want to take that down as well. Well, you were right. Welcome back to GP Outdoors. It's hollow, and you can feel that wood in there is pretty punky. It was a dangerous job today. That's why I had two separate people spotting me and giving an eye on things as I was cutting through. I wasn't a big fan of having to get under that one widowmaker to finish my front cut, but I had no choice. I couldn't get around that tree. The old 462 with the 24-inch bar, when it gets here, that'll probably solve the problem. In the meantime, you can't be too safe. I know I've said it before and some folks call me a safety Sally, but that could have gone either different way. It's good to have folks around. Use your pylons, make sure that you're safe. Keep an eye above as you're cutting. For those of you watching at home, I had 2 other spotters on this site when I was working this because it was a dangerous job. Both on different angles from different sides, making sure that none of that deadwood fell down on me while I was trying to cut the tree. I wish I'd had my 462 with the longer bar. Well, that was an adventure. Not uncommon. You saw the rot in this stump. This tree was done for. I'm glad I got her down, especially before my daughters start coming up next weekend. I was hoping both of those widowmakers would have fallen to the ground. We got one down. The other one got hung up, as you saw, in that second bass tree off of the same stump. So I had no choice but to take these bass down as well. They were coming out eventually because the one had a really hard lean over the driveway, as you saw. But the most important thing is to get that huge limb out of the air and down on the ground. So the plan is to get this stuff limbed a bit, bucket into probably 7-8 foot lengths so I can pile it off into the side of the forest. The big guy here, I think I might buck them a little shorter, although given that most of the inside of it's gone, they won't be that heavy. We got a bit of cleanup to do. Got me this time, but I got the grapple. Now that was an adventure. Oh boy. Good cleanup, everything's off. That grapple is like having a rake, but without the labor. As you can see, we got her down. There's a little more work than I expected, but that's the thing when you've got widowmakers up there. I was hoping they'd both come down. The one got caught or remained caught in that basswood tree. Had to take her down. She's all done, she's cleaned up. I wanted to put out a special thanks to Husky Bob for running over here to give me one set of eyes, and to one of my daughters, Kirsten, for keeping an eye on me, making sure I didn't get hit in the noggin, and for some great camera work today. Thanks so much for sticking around today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was fun. Have a wonderful week with your families. Please be kind to one another. And I'll see you again right here. Probably with a whole lot more black flies because they've already been biting us all morning. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.